What's going on, traders? Welcome back to Daily Recap. I'm gonna do this video real quickly because I'm doing this very late and I don't want to take up too much of my time. But real quick, I didn't do trading recap yesterday. I actually was a little upset because I missed this whole entire move. I did make 2 trades yesterday, so I'm not gonna talk about them. But these are my trades from yesterday. Okay, just to make sure these are yesterday's trades. I missed a few setups here. But I did start trading with 3 contracts. Again, these are trades from yesterday, so I'm not going to talk about them. Today I actually made 4 trades, 2 winners and 2 break even. I'm gonna go over them really quickly. So when I came in, to me the daily candle looked a little neutral, as you can see, and we are at this resistance here as well. So in my head I kind of thought that I had a neutral bias for the price. Even though we do have this little uptrend working up, I still think that we might be some kind of range or maybe a reversal. My first trade of the day is this failure signature loan. The idea was, I was thinking price might come back and test the overnight lows. When I entered the trade, I actually did not have this channel drawn. So once I entered the trade and I drew my channel, and I'm like, oh crap, there's a lot of resistance there. So it would have worked for the 4-tick scalp, but I only got out with a 1-tick, so I'm not even gonna count that. Yeah, that was my first trade of the day, and this is at 8 o'clock as a pre-market. I like to trade. I like to take 1 or 2 trades in pre-market just to kind of get the ball rolling, kind of get your feet wet a little bit. Even though the price action is slower than the normal hours, but it is what it is. And then this opportunity right here is triple test. I'm not sure if I didn't take it. I think I was not paying attention or something, but it's a clear triple test. Nice bearish candle, nothing to the EMA. Even though they're in a range here, EMA doesn't really matter, but yeah, solid trade in my opinion. My second trade of the day was this signature short here. Again, you can clearly see there's a lot of resistance here, even on the daily. You can see that we're hitting this trend channel. Again, signature short, pretty straightforward, nice single bar, enough room to the EMA. And my initial thought was thinking was, you know, we're probably gonna test this this EMA. So, and we kind of do, but again, we have news 9 o'clock, and you would have to sweat it out if this is your target profit, but eventually you would have hit it. And then price kind of spikes up and then goes back down. And I saw this as a spike in a channel here, breaking low in place. There is a signature long here, failure. Again, I'm not really sure why I didn't take it. I think this is one of the trades that I actually have my limit order here. Again, you know, I got to trade with a stop with the failures. I got to trade with a stop order, and then we got filled. So it is what it is. Break the low in place, and then my initial thought that our price might reverse again, or might go in this little range, and basically got a triple test here, you know, 1, 2, and 3, the signal bar. I did not take this. I don't really know why I didn't take this, to be honest with you, but solid trade in my opinion. And you do get a higher low here, but to me, I don't know. I don't know if I would have waited for bar close, but maybe on engulfing. And then my third trade was again a break-even trade again. Now this one, the reason it's break-even here is it wasn't like a second entry or any failures. It was just a visual, basically a visual pullback. And I was, you know, since this trend channel was played out, this trend channel played out, I was thinking, okay, we have this nice uptrend. We still need a retest of these highs, and I entered it, and I made a mistake here and I got out. But what I should have done is actually held it, and you notice there's a higher low here as well. Yes, the signal bar is not that great. It's more of a doji leg bar, but if your bar looks better than this, you could have added a position, and I should have, when I got out, I should have re-entered back in. But at least play it to the EMA. But you know, it is what it is. You live and learn. And of course here, I marked this trade, but I don't know if it's a solid trade. I was looking at it as a basically a triple test and a signature short, you know, new low, first entry short, second entry short. So, well, technically speaking, it's not a second entry short actually, because this is, well, this is your low. This is actually a first entry short, second entry short, and this is actually a third entry short. But again, if you look at it as just 2 legs up, right? Let me show you. You know, 1 leg, 2 leg. Or I should do it like this actually, you know. 1 leg and then copy and paste and then 2 leg. Again, visual 2 legs up and then a second entry short. It's not exactly a measured move, but remember it's not measured move, it's just legs. Okay, you can't even legs are not going to be measured move. So it's the same concept here. Like, it's visually, right? You see the visual pullbacks. It's actually 3 legs here, but visually you see the pullback. Same thing here, you see a pullback up and then goes down, right? So solid trade in my opinion. Again, how did I take it? I think I was away from my computer or something, I can't remember. And then this one I hesitated, just because you just too close to recent highs here. So that's why I hesitated. Otherwise I would have taken it. If I had enough room to scalp out, I would definitely have taken it. But to me, that's just too close to the recent highs. And of course, you know, you never know it's gonna come back up, but you can clearly see there's a lot of support here. And my fourth trade was basically a higher low again. I was waiting for a break and a new low, but there's a second entry long here. This is a signal bar. It's actually a very bullish signal bar above the EMA. And once I saw this higher low, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna pull the trigger. Again, it's kind of close to recent highs, but it is what it is. I like the setup. I like what I saw. And then that's it. I called it a day, basically. Again, all these trades are 3 contracts, so I'm getting comfortable with trading 3 contracts. I don't feel like the pressure. I don't feel that, you know, that sweaty palms, like Eminem says. So, but yeah, I feel good. I think I'll keep on going with 3 contracts, and we'll see how it goes. I don't think I'm gonna increase anymore. I really like the 3 contracts, and once I get really comfortable, then maybe I'll increase, maybe a month or 2 or so. But so far, I like 3 contracts. It is what it is. And again, with 3 contracts, my daily goal is always 300, you know. And that's the thing, like, I'm not trying to make $1,000, you know. I'm not at that level just yet. Okay, you know, it's the goal, right? The ultimate goal is just to make, you know, whatever it is that you want to make, right? But for me, you know, $300 is just plenty. I feel real comfortable, and technically speaking, 2 winning trades is not $300. It's actually 280 something, because of the fees and the commissions. So maybe I can do like 2 or 3 contracts and 1 with just a single contract, just so I can have like a full 300. I don't know, but it makes my mind at ease that, you know, I only have to make 3 solid trades to get 300, right? So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking, and thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks, bye.